Imagine a world where your daily gear feels like it was ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie. What if your everyday routine became completely effortless? Ever wondered what the ultimate futuristic setup actually looks like? We've uncovered 15 unbelievable game-changing gadgets that will absolutely blow your mind. Hit that subscribe button because things are about to get wild. All Amazon product links in description below. Imagine never fumbling with messy cords while driving at night. Standard mounts drop your phone constantly. This futuristic device instantly auto-clamps using a smart infrared sensor while delivering blazing 15-watt wireless charging. It features a premium alloy build and sleek ambient light ring. Navigating becomes seamless and completely hands-free. Your old setup will never feel the same again, but that's only the beginning. What if you could completely shield your pride and joy from dust, dents, and pests? Traditional tarps scratch your paint and trap damaging moisture. This massive, heavy-duty inflatable bubble uses a continuous airflow fan system to keep your vehicle pristine. It features thick PVC material and heavy-duty zippers. Your car stays showroom ready. Once you try it, you'll never go back. It gets even better. This genius invention brings next-level luxury to older, outdated dashboards. Upgrading an ancient factory radio costs a fortune. This gorgeous 7-inch touchscreen instantly adds wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via a simple suction mount. It packs a crystal-clear display, built-in speaker, and seamless Bluetooth audio streaming. Road trips instantly become a blast. This changes everything. If you thought that was impressive, this tiny gadget completely eliminates electric vehicle range anxiety on long road trips. Finding a compatible public fast charger can be a massive nightmare. This heavy-duty adapter instantly unlocks access to over 12,000 Tesla superchargers for non-Tesla EVs. It handles a powerful 250 kilowatt charging speed with rock-solid safety locks. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. The next gadget is on another level. Meet the gadget that acts as your personal, high-tech eyewitness on the chaotic open road. Insurance scams and unexpected accidents happen in a split second. This dual-camera setup records everything in jaw-dropping 4K resolution. It features an advanced AI sensor, night vision, and a wide-angle lens. Driving feels incredibly safe and secure. It completely transforms the experience. Now things get really interesting. This rugged tool completely revolutionizes your weekend chores. Cheap plastic sprayers crack, leak, and lose water pressure instantly. This ultra-premium nozzle is forged entirely from heavy-duty brass and solid zinc alloy. It delivers 4 powerful spraying modes and an effortless thumb control lever. Washing the car becomes intensely satisfying. Once you try it, you'll never go back. But that's only the beginning. Picture this, a road trip where absolutely nobody fights over the limited power outlets. Dead batteries cause massive headaches when everyone needs juice simultaneously. This insane 216-watt monster expands your single lighter socket into 4 distinct ports. It boasts ultra-fast USB-C delivery and built-in voltage displays. Everyone stays fully charged and happy. This changes everything. It gets even better. This smart device completely eliminates ugly, tangled cables from your center console. Clunky cords look incredibly messy and constantly get stuck in your shifter. This compact adapter features dual retractable cables that pull out smoothly and snap back instantly. It delivers lightning-fast 60-watt charging through premium, durable casing. Your old setup will never feel the same again. If you thought that was impressive, this clever wand makes achieving a crystal-clear view completely effortless. Reaching the bottom corner of your windshield requires painful, awkward stretching. This lightweight, ergonomic tool features a pivoting triangular head and a long extension handle. It uses reusable microfiber pads to wipe away fog and grime instantly. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. The next gadget is on another level. What if your back seat could instantly transform into a luxury hotel room? Sleeping rough in your vehicle during camping trips is incredibly uncomfortable. This heavy-duty inflatable mattress is custom-shaped to utilize every inch of your truck or SUV bed. It uses thick, puncture-resistant flocking fabric. Sleeping under the stars becomes pure bliss. It completely transforms the experience. Now things get really interesting. This genius invention keeps your engine bay completely immaculate during maintenance. Standard rigid funnels spill messy oil all over your hot engine components. This ultra-flexible silicone tool bends, shapes, and molds perfectly into any tight space imaginable. It handles extreme temperatures and cleans up effortlessly. Once you try it, you'll never go back. But that's only the beginning. This premium workstation turns your vehicle into a highly productive mobile office. Balancing a laptop on your steering wheel causes terrible posture and endless frustration. This rock-solid tray clamps securely onto your wheel, providing a perfectly flat surface. It features a dedicated tablet slot and convenient cup holder. This changes everything. It gets even better. Imagine having a piping hot beverage ready while stuck in freezing traffic. Finding a coffee shop on remote highways is nearly impossible. This smart, travel-friendly kettle plugs right into your accessory socket to boil water rapidly. It features digital temperature controls and premium stainless steel insulation. Long commutes become incredibly cozy. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it, if you thought that was impressive. This hidden compartment maximizes your interior space without ruining your minimalist dashboard layout. The open cabin design leaves valuables exposed to thieves and harsh sunlight. This custom-molded tray hides perfectly underneath your central touchscreen. It uses strong magnetic mounting and a soft anti-slip silicone lining. Your old setup will never feel the same again. The next gadget is on another level. This futuristic device gives you eyes in the back of your head instantly. Backing up a large trailer blindly is terrifying and incredibly dangerous. This rock-solid camera mounts magnetically and streams crystal-clear video wirelessly to a large dashboard monitor. It features integrated solar charging panels for endless battery life. It completely transforms the experience. Which of these mind-blowing tech discoveries was your absolute favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you loved this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to Nexvora for more incredible tech showcases. We will see you in the next one.